NDC journalist Nana Jantuah of FM abe blàst Stan Dogbe or any other TikTokers concerning the assaulter Stan Dogbe assaulted Ghana military man during Ghana Armed Forces graduation exercise. Stan Dogbe, Deputy Chief of Staff, just say what time to you declare ya to not actually any. No, Anna Nana Jantuah any other TikTokers abe blàst no which say Mahama ensa keep mind we nyasa obegu nanim wase aha Penyah block media best one say any demo obe like video no other one subscribe button some back the verification account latest update na be chere wa bi da ma me e wo comments response obaso na share first enya bi ahwe. So it was on Friday and accessories eko PM e wa Accra Bema camp for Ghana military academy graduation. There's a omo ya fa omo akọ training a omo wie na omo air pass out no graduation no. His excellence Ekobi. Now a honeymoon, and there was an unfortunate moment. Stan Dogbe, Deputy Chief of Staff. Camera captured a moment here. Now, soldier near were part of the media team. Or also take coverage. This is the military man. Or take coverage. Now, in the course of the process, no, Stan Dogbe so this you know asem that do. Said dear be you, muna say tam. Or mobile so you need in a hall. Take update now what in sa we didn't piano as also mu time not any.
Many times when I go to a function and I'm seated, I normally look at the way the journalists are being handled. And you find that there are some security personnel who just have a knack for harassing journalists. I mean, they are not harming anybody. They are standing, they are filming. Then somebody comes, you can't stand here, move, And I said, what have they done? So sometimes I have to shout and say, leave them, let them do their job, And so I think that we need to create awareness in the minds of these people. Some of them are police officers, some are military officers, some are national security, and especially national security.
Emma do ebe de on the internet eba ye na de chin That day na last Stan Dogbe on Facebook I consider this as an apology. We consider this as an apology. I just said this is to apologize to my friend Corporal Ofosu for physically pushing him away after his repeated disruption of a live camera operator during today's ceremony. I know he and my other friends in uniform will accept my apology as we work to enhance and improve our existing collaboration at events. This is not an apology. This is justification. This is justification of his action. Or Chilemusa just didn't push him. Mine said the man was disrupting live camera operator. That's why you're pushing away. This is a justification. There is a comedian that said no. Nana Jantuah, any other TikTokers, almost abe blàst him. Say the arrogance, ye tie. Mahama entailment up, and yes, sir, obigu Mahama inuma. So when I'm aye unpopular. Do ya the 2016 na Mahama benya dimbone no. Omso hwe obesa ye bi Mahama senya dimbone.
Yera jo Mahama, Stan Dogbe minim so penasem, yen na penasem. But that man is exhibiting that arrogance or in 2016 bia e ma edru baby na wa ban no aye bibi foforo. Na issue will be ntimi nka, but I will say it because I don't care, because enya NDC ne tuameka a multimedia. Stan Dogbe is good, I like him. Anytime I see him from afar, the way I was in Yoma organizing program, I want to learn a lot from him. But he is arrogant. Niposanye. The way I was here now, no, so when to me and Temuno on Yoma be one, or the Nyoma be Ebema wo party na eya konono. Ubon se sa suban ketinketi way, na the problem aba. Nano Jo Mahama, ne wife, ma Melodina. Bodyguard be no person push you because Dabi don't push them. And I'm saying, mommy, what man I kono. Now no, I sorry them, you're John Mahama. Now I buy you be any dink share the way a John Mahama nene yere, the one we see a canipa bay woman. Sanyo mano efe, na you're John Mahama and Tinia Toma NDC, and you won't ya. Yes, you can bring order, but you cannot stop a blogger say oye and a jume was say oye. Say what's so Jina baby, I was so ye. It becomes a monster. Now baba ya bonsam, akoye be bonsam, na akoye be ye. Oban say oh enyahwe, afie bedru baby no. Now if you would say kasa, near the national security for about Bijana will say, hey, okay, BBT, President John Mahama, and Tibra, why did you clear Ghana and you be adiao?
Greetings, Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. Power without discipline is abuse. Your Excellency, this is Stan Dogbe, your Deputy Chief of Staff in charge of operations. No uniform deserves humiliation, especially not the military uniform. But look at what your Deputy Chief of Staff did yesterday. Shoving a military officer, disrespecting the military uniform. Your Excellency, watch from this other angle. Authority is not arrogance. But because you gave Stan Dogbe authority, he thinks authority is arrogant. And yesterday he clearly exhibited it. Look at his face. Your Excellency, just look at his face. This is arrogance written all over the face. Because you've given him authority. He doesn't even know the use of, he doesn't even understand the word authority. He thinks authority is arrogance. Your Excellency, if a civilian in Ashaman or Mamobi had heckled a military officer like this, the whole Ashaman or Mamobi will go silent that evening because the military will storm there. Any young boy they catch, they will just beat the boy for heckling one military officer. This time around, the person who disrespected the military uniform is a high-ranking government official whom you appointed, Stan Dogbe. So, Your Excellency, you have to crack the whip. You have to sanction Stan Dogbe. Because the best legacy, according to you, you said your second coming is about legacy. So if you truly stand by your word, then the best legacy you can leave Ghana is discipline. Because Ghana lacks discipline and respect. So you, Stan Dogbe, to teach Ghana what the word discipline and respect is. You respect him. That is why you gave him the office of the Deputy Chief of Staff. But he has abused it. So he has to lose it. And the moment you do that, Your Excellency, you cement your greatest legacy. It will be more than the big push project that you are doing today. Remember, power without discipline is abuse. Don't let Stan Dogbe go unpunished, Your Excellency. Thank you. Stan Dogbe, Deputy Chief of Staff, Operations. After your full display of arrogance and disrespect to the Ghana Army on Friday, 30th of January, you rushed to Facebook and you wrote this as an apology. And most Ghanaians fell for it because most of them, they don't have comprehension of the English language. You do, because Abangbagbe stated this in an interview. But today, I'm going to educate Ghanaians that this is not a sincere apology. But in PR, public relations, this is called image management. So let's read. I'll break it. This is a three-part statement. After reading, I'll break it down for Ghanaians. You started by saying, this is to apologize to my friend Corporal Ofosu for physically pushing him away. This is you admitting your mistake. And then you continue by saying, after his repeated disruption of a live camera operator during today's ceremony, justification of why you pushed him. And then you ended by saying, I know he and my other friends in uniform will accept my apology as we work to enhance and improve our existing collaboration at events. This is called reputation protection. In public relations, this is called image management and not a sincere apology, because of you bringing the justification for your action. Because a true apology or a sincere apology is you admitting your mistake without stating the why you did it. So Ghanaians, today if you don't know something, now you know. Stan Dogbe's apology is not sincere. It is called image management. Reputation protection. Thank you. You know my name already. Image, Mr. Happiness. I am for a better Ghana, not an arrogant Ghana.
Right, Abusia. Yansakasani. I say Mr. Stan Dogbe, movement says Stan Dogbe. Why issue apology? I'm an officer no pushing no. The thing is, on Sunday in no kasana officer no interfere in pana ultra live or no a video no. Let's take a critical analysis here. For our political affiliation tonchain, for our party color tonchain, TD nyansana e kan ye. And me waha, me penasem say what the man did was wrong. No matter your party affiliation. T. Or say the young officer was interfering the live and obicha. Fine, yatias here. Stan Dogbe, what his position in the presidency? Is he the close protection to the president? Say no be interfere live video coverage there. I want to ask you, sir, please, with all due respect, are you the close protection to the president? Menyɛ sure. So you close protection to the president. Into one opposition at that time, baby, no was wrong. I stand to be corrected. She, enema bibi ene koso wo hono. Ye hwe ni din ase ye di agoro. A whole president etimi sorry free ceremony asese okofro ne convoy na so okofro ne car na obi ediamnika atra the close protection of the president or try the security, the bodyguards and ade been close to the president convoy. A what tiemu heli no ma yes about you what tiemu man fans near the no de trade America to the stand say can be to baby be kona we America need to know assign. Your country is serious. What the influence on the president no cry fine, we need you cool, we need you good, what down for no. In public places like that, master, public places like that, or ceremony like what we just saw yesterday, it shouldn't be that way. We should be live coverage, and when you are piano to baby, you say watching baby. You too, you are not the bodyguard, the close protection to the president. You see, as I told the beer, I say me koswaka. Yen penyumfo na some of them penyumfo in the presidency. Yen the civilians and for respect my young officers and as officers. It's very bad. A military personnel in uniform. Oh, Charlie, a woman issue apology dear, but apology no crown as arrogance kakra apology no. You shouldn't sap baby. I watch said any neutral live coverage. No be I see any more said no. Baby, an officer need no. You in a video near maybe I have different angle. Officer no one a cheat. It no be trial live coverage. You could be a blocky bibia and can who honorable say wouldn't be no blocky because your position at that time was wrong. No cray back up. In Tiadia way any they say with all due respect and try it. Military assembly cano, military assembly cano. Charlie, it's very wrong. Yeah, I always stand for the truth and I always stand for the officers because you come day in day out. No, hey, obi a wono wato ne nkwa mpan so onfa ne nkwa nya hwe ye wuso no eno no no face into uko hu ade na wusura na wo free police uko hu ade na wusura na wo free soldier uko hu ade na wusura na wo free immigration ye wuso na wo fie no du anadu a wo wada comfortable zone wada so dai papa bi no no ni gina baabi wo safety nti say nipa we say me hu obi a won fa respect mo mo a na me hu nipa na dwene kuta no. You understand? Truth is one. Nyansa kase ni makraw.
Stan Dogbe, I don't refill position. You don't know your position anymore. I don't refill say we a deputy chief of staff now. Ejuma security for Ejuma. Wakoje ena woye. Onwe ni kwasi edi abrew. You forgot your position. Obi a we chief of staff. She say wadane chief of staff stroke security. Security for Ejuma. And wakakoji upia sojani a oshe uniform, a fully uniform sojani. Who the hell you think you are? We will look in your face and tell you the truth. Who the hell you think you are? President Mama F00L all your appointees no catch them say when you're careful in dealing with people. And brassier sa jena maso ne sa niema bina ya moyen or say when you're careful. Nipa na mo follow no President Mama no on tisa. And so mo ye juma and I'm why appointing mo. We war President Mama when you're careful in dealing with people. Look at the shame you've brought to yourself. We are not like the MPP. Party no support you. We the grassroots, we will look in your face and tell you, say, Masa, Masa, you better stop. Yama chief of staff. What the own security? What could security for you man away? So that Nina piano no. If he doesn't deserve to be there, and can you know and can the security around Mama will know, you must be ashamed of yourself.
Your Excellency, John Dramani Mahama, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Army. Your Excellency, you know for a fact that if I should wear this camo in Ghana, anywhere the military sees me, they will discipline me. They will strip me naked and take this camo away. Even though this is not an official military uniform of the Ghana Army or any military in the world. This is just fashion camo. On Friday, the 30th of January, at the Ghana Military Academy graduation parade, you were in attendance because you are the commander-in-chief of the army. You were dressed in your military uniform. And right in front of you, a civilian whom you appointed as your deputy chief of staff, Stan Dogbe, disrespected the official Ghana military uniform. And it's been 2 days, no discipline. So, Your Excellency, my question to you this morning, you said, after you won the election, that Abaya Dibo Techi and one year the Boba. So, if I should wear a normal camo as a civilian, and the military would discipline me, but when a civilian disrespect the official Ghana military uniform, because you appointed him, there is no discipline. Then it means your statement you said that Abaya Dibo Techi and Boba. In this case, because the person is closer to you, Abaya Dibo Techi is Yampan Boba. Your Excellency, remember, you said you want to leave a legacy. So remember, power without discipline is abuse. Cheers.
Chida wadwe mame, ewo comment section. Ahi Penyah Block Media.